Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm at 1 of 69 Banksy Avenue in Coolum Beach. One of just 2 generous properties on the block, this architecturally designed home won a HIA Development Award when built and has been enhanced by the current owners. This eco-friendly home orientates north and is bathed in natural light. Spotted gun timber flows through the home with recent renovations to the kitchen and bathrooms. There is privacy in the established gardens and secure yard, and multiple external living spaces. We're just a short walk to the beaches and shops of Coolum Beach, and there are more features in this property that you need to see to appreciate. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joel Hood, and I look forward to seeing you soon.